Hello everyone! Wish you a happy new year, and if you started the year with a new year resolution of eating healthy, then let me help you with a weight loss recipe. How to make amazing sugar-free dragon fruit smoothie for weight loss. This dragon fruit smoothie recipe contains natural sugar from fruits, healthy fats and fiber to fill you up. So let's get started to make this dragon fruit smoothie. Now if you want to know how to peel and cut dragon fruit, then check this video out in the channel. Add in the chopped dragon fruit, pineapple, and 4 almonds which were soaked overnight. To make it creamy, I add rolled oats which have been soaked overnight. I usually soak it overnight, or if I'm too busy or I forgot, then I soak them in hot water for 20 minutes to get the same result. I think it's a good time to ask you to do something for me. Why don't you hit that like button, subscribe button, and hit that bell icon as well to get notified when I upload a video. This dragon fruit smoothie for weight loss is naturally sweeter, and this 1 glass of it is all you require as a breakfast. So now breakfast is done, so now how about some options to check for preparing lunch recipes that are easy to do? Here they are, and I shall see you on the next video. Take care and stay safe.